Hi, you caught me unboxing my Easter project. See my new shirt? I love it. I love it. I told you I would wear it. My Easter project. We got this at Joann's. It was 40% off. And this was a Pensacola store. They were only 30 and 40% in different stores. Fort Walton's still 40%. So I don't understand, but it is what it is. I mean, I didn't check today, so it's probably 40 or 50% now because I've recorded these a while ago. Not really, because I have a new shirt. I recorded them when they were 40%. So what did I get? What did I get? It's got a bunny. It has a bunny. A bunny. Isn't it adorable? Look at my bunny. I love it. And I like, this is a Simply Dotz canvas. It is very close to Diamond Dotz. Let me see if it's even mentioned on this canvas that it's might be a Diamond Dotz. Yep. It says made with love and attention to detail by the team at Diamond Dotz. So it is a Diamond Dotz canvas and it's called Simply Dotz and it is considered a beginner canvas. And it has 2,523 drills. And the box does not say how many colors, but this side does. And it has 25 colors. No special drills. Because what number, guys, are Diamond Dotz special drills? What thousands do they start with? Do, 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 do. I know I'm asking for an answer, not a question, so that doesn't even work. It's the 5,000 range, except for 5,200. And I think in Diamond Dotz, 5,200 is 8411, if I'm not mistaken. Look at this. It is gorgeous. I think I'm going to do this one on Easter. What do you think? Yep, I think it's going to go great. All right, let's see the colors. Let's see the colors. Look at the tray. Oh, I might keep this. Purple pen tray, squishy purple wax, and baggies. Nice. I might keep, I like these little tray for little projects. This tray is going to be great for this one. All right, let's see. Okay, can you see them? Pretty colors. Happy Easter, by the way, guys. What did you do today for Easter? Did you do anything special? Did you find Easter eggs? Or were they real eggs or were they plastic eggs? Did you get an Easter basket? What did you get for Easter? I didn't always get my kids Easter basket for Easter. I bought them a video. Usually they got a new movie for Easter because they didn't need all that candy. Sometimes I made them candy. When I say made, I mean like melted chocolate and put it in a mold and used white and dyed it different colors. So I would do Easter Bunny and put different colors in the very bottom of the mold for the eyes and the nose and carrots and whatever. So occasionally I would make them chocolate. And if I did make them chocolate, I didn't make a lot of chocolate because they don't need a lot of chocolate. They are children. One year we got them big wheels. Do you remember big wheels? Big wheels. They were a lot of fun. They really were. And I had this thing, you sat in it, and it had wheels on the right, and they had a big wheel on the right and the left side. You sat in the middle, and it had handles on the wheels, and you just, yeah, this way you can look at me. And you just went like this, and that's how you controlled it. And it was a circle toy, circle like a big, I don't even know what it was called. Anybody remember what it was called? You held the handles and you went like this to make it go. And you sat in the middle. I don't remember if there was pedals, but I remember you had to keep your feet up on something because otherwise you would run your feet over. You know. But I'm going to be working on him on Easter because he is perfect for Easter. He'll be a quick project for Easter Day. What are you going to be doing on Easter? Are you going to be doing diamond art on Easter, or are you taking a break? Because sometimes you have to take a break, you know? You just have to. You got to rest your hand, do something different. Get outside. Walk around in the mall. You got to do something else. Yep, I do a lot of walking around outside. I watch the birds. I feed the birds. I feed my hummingbirds. Make sure you're doing other stuff. And this is my video for today. Beautiful colors. I love them. And again, I love the tray. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, liking, share. Thank you, everybody. Happy Easter and